In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and size images in Lovable AI using your project's public assets folder or the inline upload option. To get started, the first thing you want to do is place your image files into your project's public assets directory. In this example, that includes files like logo.png and vector.svg. Putting images in the public folder makes them easy for your app to access directly, which is especially helpful when you want consistent file paths and reliable rendering across your project. Before moving on, just make sure the files are named clearly and stored in the correct location so you can reference them without confusion. Once your files are in place, the next step is to prompt Lovable AI to swap out the existing header placeholder image. A simple instruction like replace the header placeholder image with /logo.png and adjust scaling is usually enough to get started. The key here is that you're giving the AI both the file path and the design intention. That second part matters because it tells the system not only which image to use, but also that the visual fit should be improved. If the first result isn't exactly what you want, you can refine the prompt with small adjustments rather than rewriting everything from scratch. If you prefer not to work from the public assets directory, there's also another option. You can upload images directly through the inline chat file attachment button. This can be more convenient when you're moving quickly, testing variations, or working with assets that you haven't organized into the project structure yet. It's a flexible alternative, especially during early design iteration. Just be sure to clearly tell Lovable AI where and how the uploaded image should be used after attaching it. After the image has been added, the final step is to apply CSS sizing rules through your prompt so the layout stays responsive. For example, you can ask Lovable AI to use sizing classes such as H10 and WAuto. This helps preserve the image's proportions while keeping the height controlled, which is useful for headers, navigation bars, and other tight UI spaces. Responsive sizing is important because an image that looks fine on one screen size may appear stretched, oversized, or misaligned on another. When prompting, be specific about the visual outcome you want. Clear instructions around placement, scaling, and responsiveness will help Lovable AI generate cleaner results with fewer revisions. That's the basic workflow for adding and sizing images smoothly in your project.